Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Anthropic API console and connect to workflow tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Anthropic API console, begin by visiting the official Anthropic website. Locate the download section, usually found in the navigation menu or footer. Click on the link to download the API console. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the installation is finished, launch the Anthropic API console. Now, you will need to obtain your API key. Log into your Anthropic account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, find the API section in your account dashboard. Generate a new API key and copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Anthropic API console. Paste your API key into the designated field. Next, connect the console to your desired workflow tools. Open the Settings menu within the API console. Look for the Integrations or Workflow Tools section. Select the workflow tools you wish to connect with, such as Zapier or Microsoft Power Automate. Follow the provided instructions for each tool to establish the connection. Ensure the connections are successfully established by running a test workflow. Once confirmed, you can begin using the Anthropic API within your workflow tools. Explore the features and functionalities available through the API console. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate the Anthropic API into your workflow tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.